Hello children. Children, in the previous video, we have revised lesson number 16, our environment. Now I am going to give you the revision test of this lesson. So before you write this test, better learn the lesson properly from the book as well as from the notebook. And then write the test in the presence of your parents. Now let's start with this test. This test is of 30 marks. Let's start with the first question. Question number 1 is, write the meaning. This question is of 2 marks. This is the brain gain from the lesson. Number 1 is contamination. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. This question has 3 parts and each part carries 2 marks. So this question is of 6 marks. Number 1 is pollution means any dash of air, soil, water and environment. I will repeat. Pollution means any dash of air, soil, water and environment. Number 2 is dirty water forms the breeding ground for insects and dash. Dirty water forms the breeding ground for insects and dash. Number 3 is cutting down of trees causes land dash. Cutting down of trees causes land dash. Let's move on to question number 3. Write true or false. This question is again of 6 marks. It has 3 parts and each part carries 2 marks. Number 1 is dirty water is fit for drinking purposes. Dirty water is fit for drinking purposes. Second is noise pollution can cause harmful respiratory diseases like asthma. Noise pollution can cause harmful respiratory diseases like asthma. Then number 3 is honking of vehicles is a major cause of noise pollution. Honking of vehicles is a major cause of noise pollution. Now question number 4 is name the type of pollution caused by each. Name the type of pollution caused by each. This question has 3 parts again and each part is of 2 marks. So this question is of 6 marks. Number 1 is fumes emitted by cars, buses and trucks. Fumes emitted by cars, buses and trucks. Second is dumping of garbage on land. Dumping of garbage on land. Number 3 is loud noise played in houses, shops, etc. Loud noise played in houses, shops, etc. Now the last question is question number 5. Answer the following questions. Number 1 is what is pollution? Question mark. This question is of 3 marks. Second is, what do you mean by environment? Question mark. This question is again of 3 marks. Then number 3 is, write a short note on air pollution, full stop. What are its major causes? Write a short note on air pollution, full stop. What are its major causes? Question mark. This question is of 4 marks. So children, this was all there regarding this test. I will show you the questions once again. Learn the book exercises as well as the question answers from the copy as well as brain gain properly and then write the test in the presence of your parents, and after writing the test, get it checked from your parents. So that's all for today. Thank you.